Hello everyone, I'm from Xi'an Jiaotong University with Lab of Smart Sensing and Mobile Computing. Today I'm going to give you a presentation about our recent work named Human Motion Recognition based on Wi-Fi imaging. Okay, now let me demonstrate our structure of today's lecture. So, I will first describe the motivation of our work, including background and our contribution towards some challenges. Next, our solutions are given to tackle with the problems mentioned in the first part. At the end, experimental setup and the performance evaluation are shown as results. Okay, now we begin with the first part, motivation. In the recent years, device-free activity recognition has begun widely in many real-world human-centric applications such as the human-computer interaction, somatic games, and aided driving. It enables many interesting applications. Recent 3 to 4 years, advance in the research of Wi-Fi networks proposes to utilize the channel state information, or we call CSI, to realize fine-grained fingerprints to activity recognition. Our contributions can be summarized as follows. Firstly, we extend the music algorithm to 3 dimensions. Secondly, we add subcarriers to improve the performance of music algorithm. The last one is to realize a real-time continuous human motion recognition. Next, I will continue with the second part, solutions. Signals from Wi-Fi imaging algorithm is shown in this picture. It can be mainly described in 3 steps. The first one is signals have different entry angles by reflected on different parts of body. The second one is using angles to estimate positions of different parts respectively. The third one is to combine positions of different parts to get a complete image of body. And we present a virtual 3-dimension array algorithm, which includes 2 steps. The first one is to extend music to 3 dimensions, get azimuth and pitch of signals. The last is to add subcarriers as physical antennas to improve the detection accuracy. Next, we use improved 3-dimension decoherence algorithm, which includes 3 steps. The first one is to get the data by the virtual antenna array. The second is to calculate the correlation function between each array metadata. The last one is to construct topologized covariance matrix. For the human motion recognition, we present a method called continuous action segmentation. It mainly based on two observations. The first one is that action make our body heat map change. The second one is that certain areas can be used to segment the beginning and the end of human action. Above these two observations, we can segment our continuous human actions. After obtaining the real CSI data, we first extract the action features of humans, which includes supple dimension alignment and getting the edging vector, and then use the PCA dimensionality reduction to analysis. Okay, for the last part, we will show our experimental setup and performance evaluation as results. As the setup of our results, we use two Qualcomm 9300 NIC card as transmitters and receiver, and use PicoSense as the software platform. And this is our test environment. We have three typical environments, including corridor, office, and lobby. And volunteers are required to do 5 actions, including walking, arm wave, leg right, squat, and bending down. Our experiment results in this table show that detection accuracy is very high among 4 volunteers and 5 actions, which is about 90%. This figure shows our algorithm can detect several human motions in the range of 8 meters, and the results show that our accuracy basically is above 80%. This figure shows that our algorithm can work both at 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz, which provides a good accuracy in the indoor scenario. At last, our conclusions can be summarized as follows. The first is we are the first one to achieve using image processing method for Wi-Fi based action recognition. The second one is we improved the imaging accuracy by extending music algorithm and adding subcarriers. The last one is that the classification accuracy of SVM is improved by our algorithm and optimized by genetic algorithm, as we show in this paper. So that is all. Thank you for your listening. If you have any further questions, please contact us or access our website.